Hi there! Welcome to the Health Guide, your ultimate source for health and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about a fruit that's easy to find, delicious, and packed with incredible health benefits: apples. So, let's dive into 5 amazing reasons why you should eat an apple every day. 1. Boosts immunity. Apples are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system, helping you fight off common colds and illnesses. Say goodbye to sick days. 2. Improves digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, apples keep your digestive system running smoothly. They can prevent constipation and support a healthy gut. 3. Supports heart health. Apples contain soluble fiber. Apples can sharpen your brain. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in apples help reduce oxidative stress, which can keep your mind sharp as you age. 5. Aids in weight management. Looking to stay in shape? Apples are low in calories, high in fiber, and keep you feeling full for longer. They're the perfect snack for weight management. Share and subscribe to the Health Guide for more tips like these. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.